Welcome to our YouTube video tutorial on writing an amazing resume. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the essential steps to create a standout resume that grabs attention, impresses potential employers, and boosts your chances of landing your dream job. Let's dive right in. Section 1. Understanding the purpose of a resume. First, let's understand the purpose of a resume and its importance in the job application process. Having a strong resume is vital because it serves as your initial introduction to potential employers. It allows hiring managers to quickly assess your qualifications and determine if you're a suitable fit for the position they're looking to fill. In a highly competitive job market, a well-crafted resume can give you a significant advantage over other applicants. So it's important to tailor your resume to the job. Customize your resume for each position you apply for. Highlight the skills and experiences most relevant to the job description, demonstrating why you are a strong fit for the role. Section 2. Resume structure and formatting. Next, we'll explore the structure and formatting of a winning resume. Formats can be based on your personal preference while also being mindful of the company's culture and job type you're applying to. The most important thing is to keep it concise and easy to read. Hiring managers often spend only a few seconds scanning resumes. Use concise language, bullet points, and clear headings to make your resume easy to skim. Limit it to 1 or 2 pages, focusing on the most important information. On top of that, make sure to use action verbs and power words. Start each bullet point with an action verb to make your resume more dynamic and engaging. Words like achieved, managed, implemented, and led convey a sense of accomplishment and responsibility. Section 3. Crafting a compelling resume summary or objective. A captivating summary or objective statement can make your resume stand out. Let's learn how. When crafting a resume summary, it's essential to focus on the specific skills and experiences that make you stand out. Highlight your achievements, relevant qualifications, and unique selling points. If you're an entry-level candidate or changing careers, an objective statement can help showcase your enthusiasm and alignment with the position. Be specific about the role or industry you're targeting and highlight any relevant skills or experiences you possess. For example, if you're seeking a marketing position, you could say, motivated marketing graduate with a strong passion for digital marketing and data analytics. Seeking an entry-level position to apply my knowledge and contribute to driving brand awareness and customer engagement. Remember, whether you choose a summary or objective statement, keep it concise, compelling, and tailored to the specific job application. It should provide a clear snapshot of your qualifications and make the employer eager to learn more about you. Section 4. Highlighting your skills and experience. Your skills and experience are crucial components of your resume. Let's explore how to present them effectively. Identify the key skills required for the job and showcase them prominently in your resume. This could include technical skills, soft skills, or industry-specific competencies. Provide examples to demonstrate how you have utilized these skills in previous roles. Pull words directly from the job description into your resume. Be sure to show the direct action, impact, and results you had in your bullets. For example, instead of saying, managed a team, you could say, successfully led a team of 10 members, resulting in a 20% increase in productivity. Section 5. Optimizing your educational background and certifications. Your education and certifications play a significant role in your resume. Let's discuss how to highlight them. It's important to showcase your accomplishments. Instead of simply listing job responsibilities, emphasize your achievements. Use quantifiable metrics and specific examples to demonstrate the impact you made in previous roles. This helps employers understand the value you can bring to their organization. Section 6. Get a second pair of eyes on work. Have a friend, family member, or mentor review your resume. The more the better. Think of your network. Do you know people in the industry that you're applying for? Do you know people who have the job title you're looking to have? Send them your resume and the job link you're interested in. Ask them to review and see what recommendations they have to edit and tailor your resume. Also, they can help with proofreading. After staring at your resume for so long, it can be hard to notice any grammar mistakes. Try to avoid spelling and grammatical errors by proofreading your resume thoroughly. But asking a friend will guarantee there are no mistakes. Ask them to check for consistency in formatting, font styles, and bullet point usage. By following the steps and strategies outlined in this video, you're well on your way to creating a compelling resume that sets you apart from other applicants. Good luck in your job search, and may your resume open doors to exciting career opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, happy resume writing.